How to change Fiverr language on Fiverr app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Fiverr app language easy and quickly method. So first thing we do is we go to Fiverr. Now this is the home page. Now we click on account below and go to settings here and then go to language. Now, as you can see, I clicked on Italiano. I need to change it again because I don't actually understand Italiano. Let's just make it English. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video.